Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin's price action has market watchers on edge as major institutions continue accumulating while retail sentiment reaches extreme fear. Bitcoin sits at $62,761, Ethereum at $1,674, and Solana at $66.35 following last week's dramatic sell-off that pushed Bitcoin briefly below $60,000. Tom Lee's BitMine Immersion Technologies made its boldest Ethereum bet of 2026, purchasing 126,971 ETH worth approximately $214 million during last week's market correction. Lee dismissed the crypto sell-off as superficial, arguing market weakness strengthens the case for decentralized blockchains like Ethereum. The purchase expanded BitMine's total Ethereum treasury to 5.5 million ETH valued at approximately $9.3 billion, with roughly 85% staked, generating projected annual revenues of around $230 million. Meanwhile, Strategy made its first Bitcoin acquisition since its controversial sale last week, purchasing 1,550 Bitcoin for $101 million at an average price of $65,332 per coin. Executive Chairman Michael Saylor announced a critical balance sheet move, rebuilding cash reserves to $1 billion to cover preferred stock dividend obligations. Strategy now holds 845,256 Bitcoin worth approximately $53 billion. Congress is advancing meaningful crypto tax reform, moving 7 separate bills through the House Ways and Means Committee. Key proposals include de minimis exemptions for small transactions, tax clarity for mining and staking rewards, network fee treatment, wash sale rules, and charitable donation simplification. The strategic approach of separating measures into discrete bills increases the likelihood of passing individual provisions. Executives from Fidelity, Coinbase, and Coin Center will testify at a legislative hearing this week. Zcash experienced wild volatility after disclosing a 4-year-old vulnerability that theoretically allowed unlimited counterfeit token creation. The privacy coin plummeted from $624 to $309 before recovering as founder Zuko Wilcox unveiled the Ironwood upgrade proposal. The upgrade will allow users to cryptographically verify circulating supply and includes new transaction logic to prevent counterfeit coins. Turnstile accounting mechanisms confirmed no unauthorized value was created on the live network. Wall Street institutions maintain aggressive Bitcoin price targets despite market turbulence. Standard Chartered reaffirmed its $100,000 year-end target, while Bernstein stands by its $150,000 forecast. However, prediction markets tell a different story, pricing only a 21% probability of Bitcoin reaching 6 figures before January 2027. On the security front, Humanity Protocol suffered a devastating $36 million exploit after attackers compromised private keys. The H token crashed 90% from approximately 74 cents to under 8 cents before recovering slightly to around 20 cents. The attacker still holds 111 million H tokens, creating significant selling pressure concerns. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.